Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia in Valletta. Today the weather is perfect and it's hot, it's getting in the summer vibes. You can see this beautiful Grand Harbour that we have, and today we're going to do the coastal walk around Valletta, and I try to pinpoint some of the beautiful areas we have here, so it's going to be very interesting. Not that adventurous as I do normally, but it's going to be very nice and suitable for all the family. So let's start this adventure. And we are here. We have to go all the way around Valletta and then grab the lift from here, go down, and we end up here. It's going to be a nice walk. So let's start. Just 100 meters away from the ferry, we encountered the Victoria Gate. How beautiful it is. And today's aim, here they are doing some maintenance stuff. And my aim today is to stay with the coast. So I will go down the stairs here and start making our way with the coastline. Now we are going down these stairs. It's typical, very low and long, and making our way down to the coastline. Now from here, this is Sanglia, this is Cospicua, if I'm not, or Birgu, and that's Calcara, and that's Ricasli, Port Ricasli. But now we are going to the old fish market. Today, compared to many of my other vlogs, I'm feeling like a tourist. Like a tourist, I'm coming to Valletta, but this time, because many videos concentrate on the inside of Valletta, I'm trying to go around, and there's plenty to see. Now we'll be visiting the Second World War Siege Memorial, and maybe say a prayer to all those soldiers who lost their life fighting for our country. And here we have some plugs. It's amazing, yeah? Look at the view from here, how beautiful it is above the harbour. We have our breakwater there, the fort there, there's Biggie in Calcara, and you can see that nearly all the port has fortifications around it. I think, many say that it's one of the most beautiful ports you can find in Europe, if it's not in the world. This is the World War II Siege Memorial, and here we have this beautiful monument here with this statue here, and it's at the entrance of the Grand Harbour. This is Upper Barraca Gardens, and we are going to the breakwater side. Here is the Mediterranean Conference Center, and there's some typical boat houses here at Valletta, and I'm going to stay with the coastline as much as possible, going down these stairs. I'm at 11 now. I'm under the Bastions, beautiful boat houses here. It's nice, and even if you look on this side, look, you're inside the harbour. It's a very beautiful spot. People having a boat house here is very lucky. A small bridge. Another bridge. I don't know if this had any World War II importance here. How nice and peaceful here it is. Look at these bastions. And here I have bomb defense, and it looks like it was like a World War II structure, winch house is called there. And it makes sense because here is built to very good standards. And I think here they used it to winch. It's a winch house, so there's nothing to think about. Very nice. It's in very bad state. It's falling down, unfortunately. As we continue our tour, to hurry the speed up, because it's not that safe. Look how nice this area is. It's really where they walk. And that is my shadow, because it's very, very sunny and hot today. What's interesting here is full of holes, and they are corroded as if they were bullets here. And could be because here it was one of the most bombarded places in Europe for sure in World War II. Now we have to pass from above that metal bridge there. Look at this bridge. And then this must be something to do. Maybe a tunnel was being done here in World War II, because look, for an arch to support the above. There's an arch here. It's beautiful, I never noticed this. What do you think this time of the views of Valletta seafront? There's an arch on there here, I don't know if you can see it. And another arch there. It's amazing, this location. We covered all this ground here, like the fortifications, Grand Harbour here. This is the bridge that you see when going in the harbour, Grand Harbour. This is to stop the waves, break water. Look at this here. It's a very, very nice area. And even the views in front are amazing, So now let's continue our journey. I think we did 1/3 till now, because we are at the tip of Valletta. Now we're going to start turning around it. So let's go. Now I'm making my way down this dodgy staircase. Remember, here the sea is very rough in winter, especially when it's northeast. But this small bay. Now we are passing through this ditch between the fortification walls and this front part. Don't try to come here in winter when it's rough, because here it will be flooded with water. It's very dangerous. Still we are going to the ditch here, and here we have the bridge. We can go on top of the bridge because it's being repaired, from what I know. But this is very common place for people to take photos here. And there you can start seeing Tinia Point, Slima and Dragonara up there. And now we start to go around. Look at the fortifications, the pillboxes up there. Here we are still following the ditch and the fortifications of Valletta. If I'm not mistaken, these are from the Knights era. Here we have some kind of fortification. And here it's Tinia Point. in Sliema. And still we are going around there. More fortifications and pillboxes. And this part of Valletta is about 500 meters away from Tinia Point. And the one in front of me is Sliema, Manuel Island, and this is Valletta again. You see these cars here, when it's very, very rough here, the sea, these cars will be swept to sea, and it happens every year. Well, here is called St. Elmo Bay, and we are still under the fortifications. And here lies the Maori shipwreck. It's about 10 meters deep water, and this is famous with many divers. A very easy dive to do and nice to do. Here is this canal, and there is this boat houses here. I did a nice video here with Paka, where we visited around Manuel Island. And even I have another video on the other side. It was very, look how nice it is and clear the water. It's an amazing place. It's a place to relax. So now we're going to pass through the arch there and we'll go above. So we'll continue our walk from up there. And now we are on top of the Bastions again. That was that canal with the boat houses. We just walked, then we passed under the tunnel here. That part there is Fort St. Elmo, and it's very famous for the film Midnight Express that was done here. I think it's in the 70s in Malta. It's a very nice film to watch. Now let's continue our way around. Here, if I'm not mistaken, is Marsamxett Harbour. That restaurant there is one of the best you can get in Malta about fish, and even it's 10 out of 10. It's capo crudo. Tinia Point there. This is Manuel Island. How beautiful it is, Manuel Island. And there is Sliema. And here we continue with the fortifications. Look, this church being restored. It's amazing. It's engulfed in scaffoldings. And these are some typical, the blue ones are the typical, and green ones, the typical Maltese balconies. Now here is the Valletta map again. Now we started here. Started here, we did all around here. Here. And now we are here. So now what we have to do, we still have to go around here, go somewhere here, there's the lift, we go down, and then we go and catch the ferry again. And here are some of the list of things you can find here. Here we are nearly covered all around, or 2/3 of Valletta. We are just under the fortifications here. These were the chairs that we passed earlier. The chairs is like a symbol here. One photograph from the other side. Anyone have any idea what this structure was before? Looks like a house. It's very badly damaged with beams on top. That was the pillbox of the night. Maltese we call it Guardiola, and it was like a watchtower for the night era. You will find them in all corners of the Bastions. What do you think of such video this time? It's not that adventurous as I usually do. It's something different, but I think many people will like it and appreciate more what Malta has to offer. These views and this, look, Excelsior here, how nice it is, the book. It's freezing cold, 17 degrees, and people are swimming right down there in the bay. You will not see me. It's too cold for me. We are in the entrance of Valletta with Ritoni Fountain. How beautiful it is, all restored. And here we are at the square before Valletta. Now we have to walk about 100 meters that way and we start seeing the sea again. Now we're going to start moving our way back to the sea. It's amazing, yeah, this fountain here. So we can make our way back home, hopefully soon. We have to visit another couple of places and then we go down to the ferry again. Here we have Valletta bus terminal. And now we have to make our way to the other part of these buses. Typically are green, like this one. Here we can start seeing this here green, Grand Harbour. And now we are walking to the Upper Barraca. Here is where the cruise line and terminal is. This part of the Grand Harbour. We have Sanglia here, Marsa. Here we have Virgo and Kalkar at the back. The observation tower here, if I'm not mistaken, is called Guardiola, and it was the observation tower used. Here we are nearly at the Upper Barraca Gardens. We are going to the Upper Barraca Gardens. Look how beautiful this area is. But the views are more amazing.
Ciao, Italian,
Maltese.
Messina.
Pierre Farrugia. Bye. And here we are at the Upper Barraca Gardens. And from here one can get one of the best views of the Grand Harbour. Let's go into the balcony. Well, this is where we started, where the gate, the Valletta gate. But look at the views from here. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Here I don't know at what time exactly they do saluting battle. Yeah, it's a spectacle over here. This is the left, we have to we go out from here, so we go and catch the ferry. And hopefully I have 10 minutes time. I'll have to wait another half an hour. Hope you enjoyed this vlog of today. We did 360 degrees coastal walk of Valletta. I am from Malta and I'm surprised with the beauty we have. I never walked it all around. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Pierre Farrugia. Till next time, bye bye. Now we just wait for the ferry to take us there where I have my car. But it was a wonderful experience. Bye.